Okay, here we go. This song is my original song called Yota Ka Isha. So let's do it. Kochi Pohaitia Kuch Sakya Toka Ipochaya Tashiko Donumula Kujon Jamgao na Toka Kutakam Long one day Kayuamu Kuchain Katya Kajalu Kahai Toku Samotoka to ushinchi tajao Koyotsuya kusato Vietia kotuku ushipihe Ujada oke tsonu tsomo Utoko taite hai tokotia kuluko Chapla Sawolu name Mulau Juju Tokoile Bikuchi Sanjay Kamuli Viku Sanyanda Kaisha Hope you guys like it.